Hello and welcome to the start of the Stay Tuned BMW F80 M3 build series. We've partnered with Mode Concepts, Boot Mode and XHP to bring you guys the ultimate motorsport orientated M3. Today we're just going to go through, we're going to make a couple of basic reliability modifications to get it ready for its first hill climb on the weekend, which is purely going to be set a base time. Let's see what she can do standard, and then we're going to start modifying. So today we're doing a Mode Designs catch can, a toe strap, which is pretty exciting, as well as something else, some camber bolts for the rear, just to fix a little bit of an alignment issue. So we're going to get that done. We'll go over the car, make sure everything's safe. It's got stock wheels and tyres. It is a completely stock 2018 F80 M3 competition. Obviously out of the box, they're a pretty good thing, but we have quite a number of parts that are going to go on it, and obviously some custom tuning by us using the Boot Mode platform, which is certainly going to wake it up, and it's going to be a little bit of a monster. So we're very excited. The DCT gearbox is probably not that excited. Yeah, it should be good. Looking forward to it. First piece of the puzzle, the Mode Designs catch can. The S55 N55 platform is notorious for oil breathing. Being DI, the intake manifold, it's got no port injection to wet the ports and clean the gunk out. Having a catch can stops that dry carbon buildup on your intake valves. It also stops the oil obviously recirculating through the intake system, which in turn slightly lowers the effective octane of the fuel once it makes it into the cylinder. So fantastic modification, very, very easy to service. It just 52 threads later, unthreads. It's got a breather system, holds plenty of oil. Service it when you service the car. Happy days. First step of the catch can install, open the bonnet. Second step of the catch can install, remove the engine cover. Third step of the catch can install, remove the PCV hose. For everyone playing at home, you will need a small screwdriver, like this very conveniently bent one here. There is 3 tabs, there, there, and there. You gently pry them back. Some people like to pull. I actually push the fitting on, takes the weight off the tabs, push the tabs, pull it off. Comes off pretty easy. That's going to go into the lipped side of the catch can. Obviously it's also a much larger hole, which is not always a good thing. And this side is going to be the supplied silicone hose, which is then going to go onto the PCV valve on top of the rocker cover. So this catch can is going to bolt just here, sit down nice and neatly underneath your carbon strut brace. We're going to use the magic of film, and we're just going to make that happen now so we can show you where it sits.
The only time I feel safe, you show the lights that stop me, turn to stone, you shine it when I'm alone.
Hopefully, by the time you've removed your hoses and done up your bolts, your catch can kind of looks like this. They don't supply any clamps with the kit. We highly recommend that you use some good quality worm drive clamps. Ta-da!